How to use solar ceramic. Safety. You must be able to safely reach all areas of the solar panel, by hand, or with the solar mop to ceramic coat your panels. Use extreme caution if you will be getting on a roof and use proper safety equipment. For a safer application of solar ceramic to your solar panels, we highly recommend using the solar mop instead of a ladder. If using a ladder, keep 3 points of contact on the ladder at all times. Avoid ceramic coating hot solar panels. Do not ceramic coat a hot solar panel. Only apply solar ceramic early in the morning or in the evening when the solar panel is not hot. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and use in a well-ventilated area. Surface preparation. Allow the surface to cool before application. The ideal ambient temperature to apply the ceramic is between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not apply solar ceramic in temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit and over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 1. Fold some clean, dry, microfiber towels in half twice to make a square. This will allow you to unfold and expose clean sides as the towel gets dirty. Step 2. Thoroughly wash and dry the solar panel with a high-quality cleaner or degreaser, such as our solar wash or solar shampoo. Step 3. Clay the surface to remove all contaminants using a clay bar or synthetic clay pad and a wax-free clay lubricant such as our solar wash. Step 4. Wipe down the solar panel with a high-quality prep solvent, such as Solar Prep. It is important to unfold and flip your towel to a new side for every panel and change out the towel frequently. Step 5. Wipe down the solar panel with 70% or stronger isopropyl alcohol with clean microfiber towels. Ceramic application. Important. Shake the solar ceramic bottle for at least 30 seconds. The liquid should look black once it is completely mixed. Step 1. When you are ready to apply solar ceramic, pour one line down the center of the applicator. Step 2. Apply solar ceramic using a side-to-side motion. Then, go back over the area in the opposite direction, back and forth, making a crosshatch pattern. This ensures even coverage. Pour another line on the applicator when it appears that you are not leaving a continuous, even coat of ceramic. Step 3. Wait at least 3 minutes but not longer than 7 minutes for the solar ceramic to cure and then buff it to a gloss with a clean and dry microfiber towel. Buffing with a microfiber towel levels out the coating and removes excess ceramic. As you get more comfortable with the application, you can begin to work faster by applying it to larger areas at a time. Step 4. Though it's not necessary, if you would like to apply additional coats, it's recommended to wait at least an hour between each coat. Note, once you have finished with the microfiber towels and applicator towels that you use to apply the ceramic, dispose of them. The solar ceramic that is on the towels will harden and crystallize. This can cause scratching if they are reused. Do not let the solar ceramic cure for more than 10 minutes or you could create a high spot. Letting the solar ceramic cure for too long can create a high spot in the coating. High spots can appear dull or will have a rainbow sheen that will not wipe off. If you get any high spots, you can do the following. Option 1. Reapply the solar ceramic to that area and buff it after waiting 3 to 7 minutes to see if it removes the high spot. Option 2. If it does not remove the high spot, you will need to use a high-quality finishing polish to remove the spot. If you use the polish option, clean the area, and then reapply the solar ceramic to that area. Keep your solar panels clean and protected with solar wash and wax. This will not only enhance their appearance but also contribute to the longevity and efficiency of the solar ceramic coating.